Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how can you really and easily hide your chats on WhatsApp. So follow up with me and let's jump right into it. Now to make sure that everything works properly and smoothly, and to make sure you can follow up with me precisely, make sure we have the same app. So go ahead and make sure the app is updated, and once you're done from that you can quit the store. Now let's open WhatsApp. Now from here, as you can see, you can archive the chats to hide them, but that's going to be less effective. So let me show you what you can do. First, tap in the three dots in the top right corner and then go to settings. In settings, tap or open privacy. Now here, once you scroll down, you should see something that says chat lock, this one right here. So once you open it, it's gonna look like this. Anyways, if you find chat lock here, that means you can hide your chats using this method. So choose the one that you want to hide, tap and hold on it, tap the three dots in the top right corner, then tap lock chat. Just like that, tap on continue. And for security reasons, sometimes it's gonna block the view here. Anyways, as you can see, there is something that says locked chats in the top, but it's not hidden yet. So what you need to do is, even if you close the app again and open it, once you scroll up, it's gonna show locked chats. To hide that, you need to go ahead and open the locked chats, and then you tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and then you get more settings when you do that. As you can see, the chat is right here now, but it's going to be hidden later. Tap on the settings from those three dots, and then from here you need to go ahead and choose or toggle on hide locked chats. So basically that's gonna hide them from on top of your chats. But you need to create a passcode or a secret code. So you go ahead and first create that secret code, and then later you will need to type that secret code in the search bar in order for you to reveal the locked chats, which is really cool. So let me go ahead and create the secret code right here. Again, I'm gonna confirm it, and now I should be good to go. Actually, as you can see, the locked part is hidden, it's not there anymore. Now I'm gonna type the code, as you can see, in the search bar, and here I can find my locked chats and I can access them right there. So basically that's gonna hide the locked chats unless you know that code. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.